Jaden, Pandu, Jaden, Pandu, Jaden, Pandu, Jaden, Pandu, Jaden, Pandu, Jaden, Pandu. Good morning, Jaden. Good morning, cutie pie. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, he's so delicious. Poor Papa Pandu has a sty on his eye. We got reefs on the ground. We got to put them up. The house is becoming Christmasified. The tree is coming together. We've had this tree for my whole life. I beg and plead my mother to get a new tree. It's been 30 years. I think it's time. Mom is still sleeping. She worked really hard. Let's let her sleep. I'm whispering because I'm gonna get yelled at. But my mom last night started the Christmas decorations, but I don't want to help because I think our Christmas decorations are so tacky. And don't even get me starting on the hoarding that happens in this house. Now she wants us by noon to get all the Christmas decor together. Yeah. This has been in our family for my whole life as well. This I will put on these stairs. Someone help me. I can't do any of this alone. She's so married to this display, but it needs a little festivity. Can this go? Ugh.
Oh my God, Deepica is taking everything out, upside down, everywhere is Christmas.
About time. I love how we just skipped over Thanksgiving and it's Christmas time. I think the world is ready for some joy. And they're, you know, usually people do after Thanksgiving, but the whole world is doing before Thanksgiving now.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Jaden's special Christmas tree. When you grow big, you get the big tree, okay?
Really? Because I grew big and I didn't get a big tree. What did you say, Dad?
The United States of America, see? Land of colors, land of opportunities, all immigrants. See?
I love how an Ariana Grande music video is your definition of a land of immigrants.
Yeah, land of immigrants, land of all colors, colorful country.
I like the general sentiment, but a little confused by the analogy, but okay. Okay, what do you think? We're done.
Trying to sleep, take a nap.
Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy? My little chewy nugget? My little chewy nugget? Are you my little chewy nugget? So my dad watches CNN all day long. It got to the point where my mom was like, I can't listen to CNN anymore. So, guess what Papa Pandu got?
Washing dishes.
Tell everybody about your toy.
Yeah, it's Jaden broke it, but I fixed it.
No, but what is this?
It's a Bluetooth.
So now
Headphones. So,
you can watch CNN all day long.
So I don't disturb others. That's what it is.
Oh, my family's nutcases. I love it. Jaden, did you see all the decorations we did while you took a nap? You took a nap and we did all the decorations for your first Thanksgiving. Last Thanksgiving, Mommy told everybody that you were coming into the world.
Our family has been growing, and I do have an announcement. We're growing as well.
And this Thanksgiving, you're here. You are here. We did it. Look at all the lights. It's so festive and cute.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Raj?
Yep.
How you feeling?
Good. Fireplace is on, Christmas tree is on. Happy Thanksgiving.
Mom, look at her cute fireplace. So cozy and magical. Mom, I gotta give it to you. You were driving me crazy today, but you did good. Wow, I forgot we did all this. I am so tired from all of my hard work. You're not calling me out, Mom? Okay, she's too busy. The in-laws are coming. Monica's getting ready. I guess I have to shower. I'm sorry. I just feel like Thanksgiving at home when it's like 4 people, that shouldn't be required, but Monica will be mad at me. Time to shower. I don't want to shower.
Deepica, do you know that? We picked you up from the... We found you a little late. No, I'm not kidding. In the garbage. You were crying, so me and Mom went back for you and picked you up.
Monica, do you think this story is ever gonna get old?
Which is cool. I thought in the beginning I was worried about you, but you turned out to be a good kid. I'm thankful to God that I have beautiful girls. And JR now. Jerry. What else you want?
Okay, I put on like decent human clothes. It's like a jumper. And I hear squealing, so I think the in-laws are here and Jaden is dressed. Hi, Uncle. Okay, they are here. Jaden, he has a cute little outfit on. Hello, with the little shoes. Hi, cutie.
Little bit bow tie.
Look at the bow tie. You have a little sweater. I mean, so cute. All right. They're cooking in the kitchen. I'm wondering how long I can go without contributing. Also, I put on a half face. I just used Found basically everywhere, put some mascara on, and called it a day. Oops. Did you notice I put some makeup on?
Yes, I did.
No, you did not.
Yes, I did.
Really?
Yeah, you look pretty.
What do you think I'm wearing?
I don't know. Oh, tinted.
Was it really that hard? Really? Come on, Dad. What's going on over here,
I'm
Mom?
making a whole vadas for the Thanksgiving snack, for right now beginning snack with the tea.
How can I help?
You can eat by
Amazing, I was hoping you'd say that. Monster, what's going on over here? I see some marshmallows.
Sweet potato casserole.
Yes! That happens to be my favorite. 2 sisters, 1 kitchen. I need a break. Sadly, Dinesh couldn't be here because he has to work. So we are FaceTiming him. It's like you're here with us.
I'm making sweet potato casserole. I just made mashed potatoes.
My job is clean up.
No.
We appreciate that job.
Look at this. Look at this.
Let's go set the table. We never ever have placemats. To be clear, growing up, we never did this stuff. We are really doing it real American. No. Welcome to the new turkey.
Hey, Jaden, you want sweet potato, ra? Sweet potato, Jason, ra? Hey, Mommy did all this for you. I wanted your first Thanksgiving to be great.
Wait, why did we just walk into the Pandu club? How did you just turn our classy Thanksgiving dinner into a club?
Look at this.
You're crazy. She's a nut. My mom's a nut. She's officially a nut. Welcome to the most intimate Mutyala / Reddy dinner ever.
Suklam Bharadaram Vishnum Sasivanam Chaturbhujam Devaki Swami. Amen.
Happy and prosperous night to everybody.
Very grateful for Jaden to join us.
We're all the most grateful for Jaden.
Yes. Okay, you guys dig in.
And it is the day after Thanksgiving, and we are tired.
We are. I just had my pecan pie this morning. It was so good.
already had pecan pie this morning?
You weren't awake yet.
I wasn't awake yet. And Jaden's awake! Happy day after Thanksgiving, Jaden! Rod, did you have a good Thanksgiving?
Yes.
Uncle, did we have a good Thanksgiving?
Yeah, nice.
Auntie, did we have a good Thanksgiving? And Mama Pandu's still sleeping and we can't wake her up. Sometimes things happen in life that are unexpected, like having a Thanksgiving in a very different way this year. But you know what? It also makes you appreciate the things that you do have. This year, we have Jaden, we have health, and I'm so grateful for both of those things. So from my family to yours, I wish you guys the best holiday season ever, hoping you're safe and healthy. And until next time, season's greetings and happy Thanksgiving to all. Mwah.